Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the chat you need a transcript for. Once selected, tap the chat name, then More and Export Chat. Choose whether to include media since that increases file size. Save the TXT or zip to files or send it to your email so you can access it on a computer. Make sure storage permissions are granted, otherwise the export may fail. This first export step creates the raw transcript you'll process in the next stage. Once you have the exported file, open it and inspect timestamps, sender labels, and system messages. If the export included media placeholders, delete those lines or move media references to a separate folder. Use Find and Replace to normalize date formats and remove duplicated system texts. A small script or text editor macros speed this up. Make sure speaker names are consistent, then add line breaks for readability. To finish, export the clean document as a TXT or convert to PDF for preservation. Once saved, share it back over WhatsApp, send via email, or upload to cloud storage and distribute the link to recipients. Make sure file permissions allow viewing. If something went wrong, for example timestamps or sender names are missing, re-export the original chat and verify the include media and format options, then repeat the clean step. This final pass ensures accurate, shareable transcripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.